Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send money from Canada to India through Western Union. The first step we need to do is open our browser and we need to find in our search engine Western Union. In this case we're gonna use google.com. Alright, right here we're gonna find Western Union Canada. We're gonna click Western Union Canada. Once we type Western Union Canada, right here in the results, we're gonna see this link. We're gonna click this link Western Union Canada, and then right here we're gonna see this landing page. Right here we can do two things. The first thing we can do is register. We can create an account clicking this button. But if you want to if you quickly want to see what is or how it works to send money, we need to click right here in this button called send money. If you click right here, you can see that the page is asking to select a country. In this case, we're gonna select India. Once we click India, right here we can type an amount that we want to send. Over here you can see how much will receive the person in India. Um, once you have and you have once you add your amount, you need to set uh, the delivery and payment method. In this case, the payment method is debit card. As you can see, you can change this. You can change this option clicking this button. And delivery method is UPI, and you can change this clicking this option. You have three options right here. You can freely select one of these options right here, and then we can click this button, this yellow button, to send the money. It's really easy to do. um is and it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.